Yo, what's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gumball Studio, and today I have here the Gundam GP04 Gerbera from Bandai. And yan, hirap kong hinanap nung kit na to kasi to be honest, napaka mahal neto sa ibang mga shop sa Shopee, especially dun sa mga Chinese shop. They will sell this to you at an overpriced condition like 4,500 pataas, but thankfully I bought it about 3,600. Still expensive, but yun na yung pinakamura Gundam GP04. At I think this is also rare to find nowadays, lalo yung Bandai. Pero what I learned is merong lalabas na bagong GP04, pero yung bootleg siya. It's a bootleg company, and copy din netong Reborn 100. So this is a Reborn 100, but still the size of master grade kit. So let's compare it with the master grade kit here. I have here the 2.0 master grade Gundam Mark III, and what I observed is, to be honest, they're not that GP04 is not that toyish tingnan. Kumbaga, what I mean is he's in par with master grade. So mukha siyang master grade, but he's not a master grade. Magkakatalo lang tayo dyan sa feature. It looks master grade, but of course, yung mga elements na meron ng isang master grade, wala siya. And so let's go with these elements. By the way, so the head here, yung sa head niya, ayan, makikita natin, actually maganda yung head eh. If we're going to remove, can I remove? Masyadong stiff yung head niya. So if we're going to look for the head, it's like a master grade thing. Yung mga old style master grade models. So yep, maganda ang head niya, diba? And when we go to the shoulders here, yep, medyo stiff ang kanyang shoulders. Yan, due to the joints and the polycaps used here. The polycaps, by the way, yung traditional RE100 na may parang ridges, kaya medyo stiff siya when you're going to move. And of course, yep, I use this gun. This yung gun na dalawang plastic na pinagdikit. So this is a cheap gun, by the way. Pangit yung gun na yan. And I use the master grade Dahlin Decal Hand 1100. So yan, alisin muna natin yung mga accessories niya. Okay, let's all remove first the accessories. The big problem here is once you insert this boosters here, or the I don't know what it's called. Once you inserted it here, dito sa may booster niya, sa backpack niya, hindi mo na maalis siya. So this is my biggest mistake. I didn't sand this thing. So ayan, na-stuck na siya. Whenever I tried pulling it, wala na, mahirap na. I might break the peg, yung white na peg na yan. Baka mabali ko pa siya. So what I will do is just retain this thing forever dito sa backpack niya. Ayan. This is on his backpack. So there we go with this Gundam here without the accessories. So we got here the main mecha, and let's go with the shoulders here. The shoulders can somehow raise up to this far, also this far. So hindi siya masyadong mataas yung kanyang pag-raise, and the arms can raise up to this far, Also, ito. Ganyan siya. And the arms also can rotate 360 degrees. And can rotate, but of course the joint is stiff. I don't want to play too much with the joint because yung joint kasi nito easily ma-loose thread siya. And the waist can rotate somehow 360 degrees. Pero yan, may kasi may limitation ako sa pag-rotate nito, baka lumuwag yung joint niya, sorry. And ito yung sa front skirt armor, can raise up to this far. Side skirt up to that far. Ball joint yung side skirt niya. And yung front skirt, peg siya, peg na nakapasok dun sa butas. And butt skirt, ayun, dalawang magkadikit yung butt skirt niya. And the legs can do splits actually. Kung wala yung side skirt, it can do splits effectively. And it can kick forward to this far. Pero yun nga, may side skirt limitations. Ayan. Tapos it can do rotation here. So somehow it looks like a master grade. May pagka master grade yung kanyang features dito. But of course yung sa side skirt niya, para din siyang yung mga high grade kit or the old master grade. If we're going to compare, let's for a while, let's going to compare it with yung master grade Mark II. O diba? Master grade siya pero walang gray parts dito sa ilalim ng front skirt niya. So parang lang din siya. Parang old school master grade yung dating niya dito. And yep, wait. Dito sa knees, it can bend like this. So double jointed bend siya. And ang ganda na yung part na to. Very common sa mga UC Gundams. And wala, ayaw na. Bakit ayaw na siya? Okay, dahan-dahan lang. Medyo malambot yung plastic ng kit na ito actually, kaya medyo maingat ako. By the way, dito sa may waist niya, it can bend sidewards like this. So, ang ganda, napaka-dynamic ng pose niya dito. Ganda ng pag-bend niya na gano'n. It can do ab crunch, and may ab crunch pa gano'n. And ab extension. Gano'n. Tapos, ang downside lang dito yung sa feet niya. Ayan. May feet armor siya. Foot armor dito. Can go up and down. The feet also can swivel. Ayan. Pwede siya mag side to side. Then plantar extend, plantar flex. Ayan. Plantar flex up to this far. Kaso wala siyang toe bend. So blocky feet lang ito. Which is somehow disappointing. Pero okay lang kasi given this is a Reborn 100, yung talagang feature niya, let's accept that. Tanggapin na natin. Okay. Pakonsuelo ko lang dito to make this become somehow master grade-ish. I changed the hands into the Dallin decal hands. Ayan. So articulated fingers na siya. Ayan. I made it articulated yung mga fingers niya. Sa backpack, sad to say, sabi ko nga, napamahal na tong tube na to dun sa connector niya dito na gray part. Ayaw na maalis. Sorry about that. Ang ingay ng motor. Peste yung mga motor dito sa lugar namin. And ayun nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo, napamahal na tong tube na to. Booster pack dito sa may peg na yan. Ayaw na maalis. So I tried removing, pero nagulat ako, nagkaroon ng stress mark sa connection na itong white. So kung binunot ko siya ng biglaan, malamang natanggal yung connector niya, tsaka nasira ko na siya. For the meantime, sige, pabayaan ko na lang siyang ganyan. So parang part na siya ng paa, which is tripod. Ayan, ito tripod ko na lang siyang ganyan, which is ganito. Maganda rin kasi just to support the weight ng Gundam. Pero hindi naman kasi ito mabigat eh. But this one parang landing gear kasi niya, landing gear, and it will act as support dun sa Gundam's weight na din, diba? And dito sa backpack niya, nakakabit na dito yung beam sabers. Ayun yung beam sabers niya. Yan, dalawang yan, beam sabers. Tapos this will act as booster and at the same time lock para dun sa natin, yung tubes natin. So these are the tubes, and kahit saan naman pwede siyang ipasok. And we're going to insert it here, then lock in place nito. Tapos ito din, ganun din, pasok dito, then lock in place na ito, which is ganyan. Yan lang, ganda. Medyo nakulangan lang ako kasi nga Reborn 100 to, so nakulangan ako ng details dito. Pero ang siste kasi nito, it's up to you if you want to paint. So kailangan mo talaga siyang i-paint. And meron siyang stickers, pero ayoko lagay yung stickers kasi magmumukha siyang cheap. If I'm going to put the stickers, papangit na siya. So purpose of this is to add more booster energies. I think these are energy packs for the booster to make it fly further and faster. Yan. Marami siyang boosters. So meaning mabilis siya. Ito lang, unfortunately ayoko sanang ilagay ito talaga eh, kaso wala na hindi ko na matanggal to. So pangit naman, meron siyang naiiwan na ganito. So samahan na natin ng dalawa to make them 3. Tatlo na sila. And so this is your Gerbera GP04, and the shield niya, this is the shield, very nice. Ganda na shield. Di ko pa nalalagay yung stickers ng shield niya eh. Pero ang siste lang nun, you will just attach this. Pwede mong i-attach. It's either dito sa gilid or dito sa likod yung shield. Tapos dito yung nakakonect sa arms niya. So either way, you may do so. Pero mas gusto ko dito na lang sa side. And for the guns, ito yung guns. Ganda ng style ng guns. Ako na nagkulay nito. I painted it gold para mayroon lang maiba. Kasi pure gray lang yan. So gusto ko naman may siya, may character. Then may handle siya dito. Dalawa yung handle niya. Side handles dito. And another handle dito to. Nakakatuwa to eh. Parang cambio ng motor. Ito. Parang siyang cambio ng motor. Diba? At yung brake. So dami niyang hawakan eh. Ito. Ayaw mag-zoom. Ayan. Hawakan. By the way, ito. Assisting handle. Ito yung main handle. Motorcycle handle. Kasi ito yung niya, scope niya, kulay yellow. And we got some beam bayonet effect parts. Yung kulay pink. Parang, ang galing na ito eh. Meron siyang beam something. Yan, parang beam saber. Yan. So, nakakonect dito sa may gun. So, parang beam bayonet. Okay. And the cheap gun here, we got the gray plastic. Yung pang clamp niya. Yung pang clamp together then form a gun. So very cheap gun. So thank you very much guys for watching this. By the way, if it happens na you find this kit amazing and you want to buy this, good luck finding this because mahal na to. At the same time, parang wala pa yatang copy na ini-issue. Sana magkaroon na rin ng new copies na lumabas tong GP04. Pero alam ko meron nang dadating na bootleg version nito. So if you're a bootleg fan, you may do so buy that kung you're on a tight budget. So thank you very much, Kimmerman from Kimmerman Galma Studio saying good night. God bless, take care. Goodbye. Masalama, auf Wiedersehen. Paalam sa inyong lahat.